In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a hosting a domain to your Google Search Console. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to copy your website link and go to Google Search Console page, click on Search Property and then Add Property. Now, choose URL prefix, paste your domain name and click on Continue. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Now you have to download this file. Just click on it, then the file will be downloaded. Then go to Hosting at Edge panel and log into your account. Click on Home. Now you have to find your domain name and click on Dashboard and click on File Manager. Now double click on public_HTML and upload your Google Search Console file here. Now wait for a few seconds, then go to Google Search Console page and click on Verify. Then registered ownership will be verified. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily verify hosting a domain in Google Search Console.